Now, there's a question here. If someone wants to change their life this year, saan sila dapat magsisimula? Now, the first thing that you need to do is you need to have clarity first. Know what you want. Ano ba talaga yung gusto mo sa buhay mo? Now, what is it that you want to achieve in your life? What kind of life do you want? What kind of house do you want? No, ano yung klaseng relationship? You need to have clarity first. So, ito talaga yung pinaka-important. When I found clarity in my life, everything just followed. And dati, ang dami kong gusto. I was not really so clear of who I was. I was putting up all these businesses that at the end of the day, palpak sila. Because I was not putting 100% kasi I was not really so clear kung yan talaga yung gusto ko. But the moment I found clarity, this was 2019, which is, this is what I wanted to do. I wanted to transform people's lives. That's why nandito ako ngayon. I'm giving this video. I'm doing this video because I wanted to transform your life habang nanonood ka. So, what happened was, since I developed clarity in my life, na alam ko na talaga saan ako papunta, ano yung gagawin ko, everything else followed in my life. Parang biglang nag-open yung buhay ko to opportunities that supported me para makuha ko yung gusto ko. Kasi I had already clarity in my life. That's the first thing. Now, next na kailangan mong gawin para ma-transform mo fully yung buhay mo is that kailangan mong ayusin yung kailangan mong ayusin sa sarili mo. Kailangan mong i-reprogram yung utak mo, yung mga self-talk mo dyan, yung mga sabotahe mo dyan, yung mga pagdududa mo dyan, kailangan mo yung i-reprogram kasi yung pinakakalaban mo, hindi ibang tao, but sarili mo. And the next thing that you need to do is you need to also release what you need to release. Release your baggages, no? Yung mga galit mo sa buhay, yung mga lungkot, yung mga takot, yung mga sakit, and the guilt that you're carrying right now. You need to release that, even your envy. Yung inggit mo na yan yung nagpapahirap sa'yo. And your other negative behaviors. The moment that you release it, magbabago at magbabago yung results mo sa buhay mo. Then, you need to upgrade your identity. How do you see yourself? Para sa'yo, sino ka? Are you one of the best? You're already a loving person. Money is easy for you. So you need to check kung sino yung identity mo para sa sarili mo. And dyan na papasok yung skills. Siyempre, di ba, inside out. You already have clarity in your life. You've already reprogrammed your mind. Na-release mo na yung emotional baggages mo. Did you know that when that happens, all those skills that you've learned before, biglang magiging clear yan sa'yo. Yung skills mo in investing, yung skills mo in confidence, in communication, it will finally make sense. Di ba? Ang saya. Ito nga yung sabi ko no? Enough with your team building, enough with your motivational talks. The reason why your team, your leaders are not functioning well because they are not okay internally and emotionally. That's why regardless of your skills upgrade, no, skills update, nagti-team building kayo dyan, you're hiring people for motivational talks, if sila mismo, yung programs nila sa utak nila, hindi pa rin okay, they will not accept whatever skills that you're teaching in your team building, hindi ma-accept ng utak nila, i-reject ng utak nila. And if they're carrying emotional baggages, may tendency that they will still function according to their emotions. Kahit pa ang galing ng leader mo, there's a tendency that kailangan ng anger management yung leader mo. Or sometimes your CEO has a lot of fears or doubts. That's why you need to equip them with mental and emotional tools. So, tama na sa team building. Enough with the team building, enough with the motivational talks. I'm not saying that you don't do that, but ayusin nyo muna yung utak at emosyon ng mga leaders and team mo. Kasi kung hindi, your organization will suffer. That also applies to you if you're watching this as a businessman or as a parent. Ayusin mo muna kung paano ka mag-isip and heal yourself from your emotions. Now, you might be asking, Coach, ang dali lang sabihin, di ba? Pero ang hirap gawin. Mahirap gawin kung walang proseso. But if there's a process that you can use, then apply it. So what are the process? Neurolinguistic programming, timeline therapy, hypnotherapy. Those are psychological process. No? Those are process that we learn from psychology na ginawa lang nating practical. Nagagamit natin yung mga psychology tools na to like behavioral psychology, gestalt psychology, in a more practical aspect wherein we can use it to transform our life, right? So if you have a tool that you can use to transform your life, what's stopping you from learning it? Okay, so be open to learning and change para mag-level up ka at yung organization mo plus yung negosyo mo. Not only that, and your relationship as well.